I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Welcome to a very special Halloween episode where I'm going to show you my thrift store haul and my dollar store haul of decorations. Yeah! And also give you some great tips on making over these finds to look even cooler than they already do. I am getting in the mood for Halloween already in my Luna Cat sweatshirt by Revival Inc., made by yours truly. It's perfect for this time of year with its moon phases and space cat vibe, embracing those Wiccan feline vibes. Okay, that was pretty cheesy, but let's get into my decoration haul. I am just so excited to share with y'all the things that I found at Goodwill, Value Village, and the dollar store. Halloween is my favorite time of year to go shopping, and usually the Value Village by my house has like a third of the store that is just costumes and decorations, and I love it. However, thanks COVID, they really didn't have that much this year. I actually ended up finding more at the Goodwill than at Value Village. Value Village really only had a couple things. I got some of these little jars there, which I'm gonna fill with like creepy little substances. This one's green. I'm gonna put labels on them like witch's brew and skeleton, cross and bones, eye of newt, that kind of fun thing. I got these chains from the dollar store. And then this is just another vase. This one's from Goodwill. There was a set of 2. And for these vases, on Tuesday, I will be doing a DIY Halloween decor episode. And I'm going to make over these vases into a black spider web design. And I'll show you just how easy that is. These flowers were from the dollar store. And they've got these little spiders on them, which I thought was pretty cool. Put those over here. And then after these guys, another really cool find was Goodwill actually had this skeleton unicorn. They had several of these little skeleton animals, and they were very affordable. I think this one was like $5. So that was really, really good find. And then these skeleton hands I found there as well. So this will be really fun for a creepy table setup I'm going to do out in the carport for my friends. Perhaps the very, very best thing I found at Goodwill was this bat. He is amazing because he has some little lights inside of him. They're right on the back. Look at that! Oh my gosh, how cool is that gonna look hanging from the roof of my carport? So excited about this. Also, I got a bunch of these little foam pumpkins from the dollar store. They also had a bunch of these little skulls. I'm going to make these over on Tuesday in my DIY Halloween decor video. And also, I am going to make over these little candy dishes I found at the dollar store. I want to make them look spooky. You know, they're like these little spider webs, so I think they have a lot of potential. This is just a little bat I found at the dollar store too. So really, guys, only $1 for each of these, for all of this stuff on the right side here. Everything was just $1. So I was able to get all of my Halloween decor shopping to decorate a whole carport for Halloween. We're gonna have a pumpkin carving party. And by that, I mean it's like us and one other household with 6-foot distance, of course. Being very responsible these days on that kind of stuff. But yeah, these will be really fun to make into something a little bit more scary. I got these battery powered candles, again, just $1 each. That is also what I put in these candle holders that I found at Value Village. And so they have a little battery that will light up in the top. Those will look nice on the table as well. Also, this table is covered in this creepy cloth that I found at the dollar store. It's this stuff here. It's all only $1, and so I think I got like 5 of these, and I'm gonna hang them up all around the carport to kind of cover the walls and make it look creepy. I also got a bag of that white like fake spiderweb stuff I'm gonna put over it, so that'll look really cool. And then these guys, look at this. This is a witch. I got this for $1 at the dollar store. Just hangs there. It's got like posable arms. Very good deal for $1. And then I also got this little skeleton over here. The only thing I couldn't find was like little ghosts, but again, Tuesday's DIY tutorial will have a way to make them out of just tulle and spray starch. So that's going to be really fun. And then just over here, I've got some candles to kind of mix in with my creepy little jars I'm going to have. These were all from the dollar store, so just $1 each for these. This little guy. And also some of the ones I'm going to fill with these little light up. I don't know if you can see the light, but it'll be great in the dark. Those can go in these too. This is another good find from the thrift store. Also, for the crafting I'll be doing, I found orange and black paint at the dollar store. These are each $1. So if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money this Halloween, like me, I highly recommend going thrift shopping and going to the dollar store first, and then fill any gaps that you have in your decorating needs by going to, you know, Target or whatever. But this is a really good way to save money and also crafting your own stuff. Some other things I got are this like crazy noodly stuff. That's sparkly. I got that from the dollar store too. There's also orange and black. And I'm gonna use this stuff to make Halloween wreaths. I got 2 of these little wreath hangers at the dollar store as well. Very cool. So that will be in Tuesday's video as well, making those little wreaths. And then also from Pinterest, I got this cool idea to make little spiders. I found these foam balls at the dollar store as well as the black pipe cleaners. So that black paint I got, I'm going to paint on and make little spiders. I also got some black poster board I'm going to be making bats out of to add to the Halloween wreath. So that will be really fun. And I actually think that's it. So this is all of my thrift store haul, dollar store haul for Halloween. Halloween, get it? I just thought of that. That's pretty cute. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope that you have, you know, a dollar store or like a grocery outlet or just somewhere near you that's a thrift store that you can kind of support and then also get your own decorations for a really affordable cost. And be sure to join me on Tuesday for my DIY Halloween video. And again, please like this video if you enjoyed this information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then ring that bell so that you can get notified when I make new content, like I will be on Tuesday. Can you guys tell I'm excited about my DIY Halloween video? I am, because again, Halloween, favorite time of year. Look at all this stuff. Lots of this is probably going to stay in my living room year round, especially this little guy. Oh my God, I love unicorns. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I'm getting in the mood for fall and the dollar store. Your hands look weird like that. And word salad. fabric I got. Start over again. This is a witch. Okay, here we go. Thanks again, Terra Monster, out. No, we're not gonna do that. That's dumb.